this is number 16 here. We know that line DE and EF are tangent to that circle of G. Find EF. Well, if these two are tangents, then that means they have to be congruent because tangent lines coming from the same external point of E are congruent. So we can say that the line of DE is equal to the line of EF, or the line segment, right? So we now can make the substitution for x plus 23 for line DE and 10x minus 19 for line EF. Subtract 4x to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with 23 is equal to 6x minus 19. We have one variable alone. Now add 19 to both sides. This cancels. 23 plus 19. Okay. We want to do that. 23 plus 19. That gets you 42 is equal to 6x. Divide that by 6. Divide by 6 to both sides. This gets you x is equal to 7. But that is not what we're asking for. We're asked to find line EF. We know line EF is 10x minus 19. We solve for x, so we can now substitute that in. That was 7. Okay, so 7 times 10 minus 19, that gets you 51. So line EF is equal to 51. There you go.